What if I told you there is an AI system that can launch complete brand with all media assets in 30 minutes? With True Banana, Video 3, and N8N, a virtual brand I just created from scratch in 30 minutes. Let me guide you how this works. Before we dive into it, if you're new here, I'm June building AI agency and multi-SaaS products solo. I use AI to replace what used to take entire teams, and I share everything I learned so you can do the same. Hit the subscribe and check my newsletter link in the description. Without further ado, let's dive in. So before getting into any of this NAN automation part, my main driver is actually Airtable. So our clients don't even have to think about this technical side. All they have to think about is just to fill out some information in Airtable. So let's say I am building this True Banana, and the first thing you have to do is you have to fill out some information such as who's going to be your audience. Is it like health conscious adults seeking premium natural snacks? And our brand assets is like wellness, and where our promise is the healthiest, purest banana experience in elegant form. So that is why we said premium. And tone of voice is like this. And character is golden banana icon. And then you can also fill out some type and default settings for images or videos from there. And also you have to just put one image. And this is a virtual brand. So I created this one using Nano Banana, and I updated this like this. And I like that. So the next step is, if you go to grid view here, is you just need to click this generate avatars button. So if you click this one, if I go back to our NAN, it actually here, this part, it generates avatars based on your business context. So in our case, True Banana is premium healthy snacks. So we get the product information, and in our prompt, we generate 3D print avatars based on business context, such as product name, audience, brand tone, and mandatory stuff like clean, solid backgrounds and front-facing pose, showing face, and natural light, etc. It creates and it saves. Using Nano Banana, we are using key AI here. We are actually getting images for 3 avatars. And the good part is you can always generate more at scale. Just need to ask here, coming here, maybe 4 different avatars and upload to image BP and save the images in our Airtable again. And if we go back in our database, we just created 3 different avatars here. As you can see, the first profile is Sarah Chan. And if you see this prompt used, 32-year-old East Asian woman, fit, healthy, glowing skin, dark straight hair, and everything here, and standing confidently and like this. And if I show another lady, she's 27-year-old African-American woman with radiant skin. She looks very healthy. And this guy looks very confident and healthy too, but different age range and different ethnicity, like Hispanic man. The good part is many times, when you are targeting audience for your products or brands, it's difficult to imagine like who they look like. But with this AI, you don't even need to worry about that. AI generates the ICP based on your business context and saves. And the best part is you can use these avatars to generate multiple assets as images, UGC videos, or general product showcase videos that I'm going to show in a minute. So that's the second part. Once you upload product descriptions and we generate avatars so far. And the next one is this left part is we can generate an avatar based on demand. This is how I generate this one. If you watch social media like TikTok or Reels, there are a lot of viral UGC based on this type of avatar, this type of characters like Bigfoot. I created this guy, like a Bigfoot guy, for generating viral video for our virtual product. So that's one. our mascot here. So now we are having 4 avatars. And the next step is generating assets. So we already have these 5. And I want to walk you through how you can generate ideas here. Basically, once you have product and avatars, the next step is you just need to click this generate one. Once you create generate one, it goes through workflow. So we get the product information for the assets, and this LLM basically does 5 different styles, but taking to the business context, like essence, business promise, values, voice, target, and also even like a visual guidelines here. That's why we had style or color, lighting backgrounds back in our product information, so that it generates a lot of variation, but it doesn't go too wild that only consume your AI credits. So I added this part because I saw some of the workflows that told you you can generate like unlimited of images. Most times you don't need unlimited ones. You need a few sets of really good images and good videos for your marketing campaigns. And I ask, we have name, course object, avatars, or not including avatars in all of this. And if I show you again here in the grid view, it says this is gallery view. Now we have a different ratio for images like 16:9 or 9:16. And this landscape is good for Facebook, LinkedIn, and 9:16. This ratio is useful for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. And if you say here, if you look at this image here, 9:16, and we have, you can see how it was related back to product. But if we see here, let me show this one instead. Here we have core subject, close up, healthy consciousness, hand and hold, banana snack pouch, and clean, warm and authentic, and lighting is soft, natural, and minimal background, composition, type particle, and product is foreground, navy. Like, as you can see, we are very, very detailed. Like these setups are very detailed. That is how you can control the quality of it without going too wild. So, and even we say image prompt like this. And if you see here, did you recognize this lady? This lady is Chloe that we created from previous step. And this one close, showing our true banana. And even it has a text overlay. The good part is this image prompt or video prompt, we didn't even create it. We just asked in this AI with the nice prompt. It generates all for us. So, but you wouldn't see this one until you generate image. So we generate just ideas. And once you like it, you can go to the next step, which is generate image. So from there, this is our next step here. Generate image on demand. This is what's happening here. So first, we're getting asset information. And if we include it in this setup, if asset includes the avatar, if it was included, then get the avatar information because we're going to use that avatar to generate image and product information. So we are getting all the information we need, and we're asking Gemini to describe our product first. That way, we're giving them the product image, but also product description so that it doesn't go wild again. And the next step is we're asking like, do we want to go like wild, or we want to do very precise prompt? So we already, from the previous step, we had this image prompt, right? So if we click this randomize, we don't use this prompt generated from previous step. We're asking actually, oh, you can go wild again. You can be more creative. But this time for our demo purpose, we are going this route. Once now the AI will check out prompt for image editor. And this prompt, we have output requirements and guidelines here, as you can see, following all the input from our data saved in Airtable. And output requirement is just making clean up the prompt before we are feeding into our Nano Banana. And next step is, again, same thing in the key AI. If I show you quickly, we're using Google Nano Banana here, and then callback and prompt, output format, image size auto, and then this will follow the default ratio of the image, which is 960 in this case, and image URLs. So we pass this one, and we are waiting, and if it was successful, we save into our database. So that's how we got this one, like this image. And let me show you another image. I showed you this one, and here, wellness lifestyle glowing. Here, Chloe, and our True Banana text overlay too. If you don't like it, what you can do is just change this image prompt, or you can try randomize it, or you can ask here the text overlay. If you don't like to have any text overlay, you can just delete it. I'll keep it like this, and then regenerate here by clicking this button here. So that way, how I created 5 images on autopilot mode. Again, the good part, if you need more variations, you don't have to suffer headache. All you need to do is generate more asset ideas. And if you like them, click button to generate image for that idea. So that's how I generated these 5 images. And if I wanted, I can create it like 100 images within 30 minutes. And from there, the next part is creating UGC part. So right now, if you have a product, I think the best way to promote is also putting on the ads, but also creating viral videos. So that people can see, people get entertained by your videos, but you nudge your product slightly into the video or images. So I love that idea. That's how you can go. If you go TikTok, Figfit, AI, here they're showing like tutorial, but they're showing also there are a lot of videos like this, and they went really well. So why don't you use these kind of viral style for your business? So that's how I started creating this part, and I want to show the end result first. And here we have this image, like Bigfoot style, but getting this True Banana here. And I'm not sure audio is going to work, but here.
I've tried a lot of bananas, but True Banana is something else. It's the real deal.
I think this will go viral. And the good part, again, you can generate image and you can create it almost unlimited videos like this. Let me show you how it works. Once you have this one, we have, again, button generate video. And from the previous step, we also had these video prompts. Like after video prompts, I'm not going to read all, but this prompt is very detailed. So that's how you dictate the command in the video. And I will share how you can do this one better in another video, but let's go back our workflow. So how this works, so once it clicked, we are getting, again, all the information and merge context. And in this video scripts, we're actually asking AI to generate video scripts for us instead of me creating manually. And the good part is it has all the brand context, asset context, as you can see, brand name, essence, promise, and core subject styles, and include avatar or not including like this. It passes all of them. The way it was set up is it can go more than 8 seconds. Currently, video 3, if you're using video 3, it stops at 8 seconds for each video. So the way we work is we're creating 8-second videos, and then we are combining them into one and save them as a single video. So for our demo, like we just use 8 seconds video, but we can generate like 24 seconds video or 30 seconds video like that with this one, and split out, create again, asking key AI to create a video for us. So, and for simplicity, I just put like 200 seconds to wait. Once it's done, we are getting video from key AI and get the binary for saving into Google Drive and share it. So this way you will always have videos in Google Drive, not in the Airtable. And from my experience, Airtable is not the best spot to save either images or videos as a storage. So the best way you save somewhere else and save URL in Airtable coming back here like this. And I also have another video like this. This way, under 30 minutes, I just created a product, a completely new product that I can sell online and generate multiple assets, generate ICP avatars based on your business context and assets. I generate asset ideas with AI. And from there, you can generate multiple images and different variations. And also you can even generate UGC videos for your product, all under 30 minutes. After I shared this system on social media, I had multiple calls with clients and I learned that this system can not only help brands, but also digital products or real estate agents or any creators who need visuals, multiple images or multiple videos taken to their business context. So if you want to try this one, I will share in the link for the POC version. And if you want to have full system, just check out my link for booking a discovery call. And let's see in another video.